In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Grammarly app on your Windows computer. So if you want to download this app maybe on your laptop or on your computer, it is pretty much simple. I'll show you a step-by-step process of doing so. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go to your Windows computer and then go ahead and look for Microsoft Store. So to get to your Microsoft Store, just head down here and you'll see this symbol of Microsoft Store. Go ahead and click on it to launch your Microsoft Store. Alternatively, if you can't see that icon, you can just go to Start menu here and then search for your Microsoft Store under search here. However, sometimes your Microsoft Store will just be available on your productivity tool on the Start menu here. If you go ahead and click on it, you will now see quite a number of apps that you can download from Microsoft Store. Now, before you go ahead and download, you'll first need to log in or create an account with Microsoft. To do that, you can just proceed and log in with your Google account and you'll be good to go. Once you get here, now go ahead and search for your app. And here we go. This is the Grammarly app that we want to download. So I'll go ahead and click on it. And as you can see, we have the option to install this app. To install it, just go ahead and click on install. And this will go ahead and download the app and then install it on your computer. Now, once this is done, now you'll have your app on your computer. So if I go back, you can see we have our Grammarly app installed on our Windows computer. From here, you can go ahead and launch the app by just double clicking on it to open it. At this point now, you should be able to use your Grammarly app without any issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.